selfishness was set aside.
Saving one's life is the ultimate desire.
History tells us that the Filipinos have captured innumerable foes, natural and not, and shall always strive to champion in all of us, because innate in the Filipino is the will to survive.
We may be daunted by these horrible things around us, but certainly we will be strengthened by our unwavering faith in God.
We have been lacted by many nations in the world for our resiliency during disasters. Others died in saving lives.
But
Only we realize that we are able to survive because our Creator is still anchored from faith that God Almighty will never forsake us. Will never forsake us. Will never forsake us.
I believe that Filipinos, divided by varied doctrines and cultures, are capable to be on top of any situation if united.
Together, we can face any challenge ahead of us. But
We may stumble and fall,
But we will advance now.
I'm stronger with vision and faith that after darkness, after pains and sufferings, the Filipino survives. The Filipino is resilient.
The Resiliency of the Filipino by William McCarthy.